Hey guys, it's Key and it's Key Life Trading. Thanks for tuning in to another video. I hope you guys had a good day today and I hope you guys made some money as well. I know I haven't been posted in a while, but guess what guys? I'm back and I'm back in full effect. And if you guys see any value in this video, please like, comment, and share. And smash that subscribe button as well. It will be a big favor for me. Anyway, so today I traded ADN, and that's the only stock I traded. And before I jumped in this trade, I think I was up probably 6 and change. I'm not sure, but you see, I'm in a trade right now. So basically, I recorded myself on the second trade that I took on ADN, and I recorded it. And we're basically gonna just do a voiceover or a recap in a sense of what I was thinking and what I did, etc., etc. So let's jump in. So first thing you can notice is I'm up 7. Well, I made profit of 719, and with the open position that I have $779 or $77 total. Right now, I'm holding 750 shares, and the next move I'm looking for is to do an add. I want to add to this position, right? So one thing I'm looking at is, which I'm paying attention to, is that one, this is a little bit extended, and I was looking for it to continue to go up. But as you can see, there are some resistance, or there is some resistance within this area, right? So from this 380 going down to here, there are resistance. So right now, I'm looking for a good place or setup for me to add to the position. So let me speed this up a little bit. So, okay. And as you can see over here, I put the line of $3.80 so I can have a visual of where resistance or the key point or key area is, right? So let's speed it up. I still have 750. Let's see where I add. I think I add in this area, but let's just make sure. So one thing I can tell you is I'm looking to basically add to the position for the break of this high of this red candle. And I think the high of this red candle is 372. So I'm looking to add to that position when this candle break the high of this red candle. So let's see. Okay, and there you go. I added right there. So once the price broke or tapped the 372, I pressed the buy button. And as you can see, I jumped in and now I have 1,500 shares. So now I'm looking to get the next leg up to at least retest 380, right? And if it goes to 380, that'll put me up $195 on top of the 719 that I already have. So one thing I was a little bit confident, well, not a little bit, I was confident that it was going to continue going up based on how the whole chart is set up. Is respecting the EMA, and it looked like it wants to keep going higher. And you can see it's pushing. So it's respecting the EMA on the 5-minute, as you can see, and it's also respecting the EMA on the 2-minute. This is supposed to be a 1-minute, but I'm using the 2-minute. So let's continue and see what happens next. And another thing is, I'm okay, which my risk would be if the trade was supposed to go the other way, my risk would have been from either 360 or 353. So that was my risk. So my max loss would be 353, and that's just if I need some more wiggle room to see if the stock want to turn and continue to go up. So right now I'm just looking, reading the chart, looking at how, if it's respecting certain price area. And then let's see. I think it should start moving now, but let's speed it. Let's see. It look like it's gonna make that move. And as you can see, it's starting, somebody's starting to buy up. There's the big bid, and somebody's trying to buy up from the ask. As you can see, they bought it up, and it's now going to continue to go. People are starting to prop up the bid and buy the ask. So let's see. You see 10, 9. It's giving it a hard time. That 72 is strong resistance. Once that 72 is broken, it's going to rip. As you see, look at it. It ripped. 72, 70. Look at that. Quick. Right now, I'm looking to at least take some profit, to at least secure some of the profit that I already made. So let's see where I take profit. One thing in my head, and as you can see, I took profit right there. Let's go back a little bit. I had 1,500 shares, and then let's see what price. At I think $3.78, I took profit. I took half profit, and I secured the bag. So I was locked in $800 in profit. And now let's continue. Now we know that 380. We know that 380 is a heavy resistance, so we know we're gonna need a lot of volume to actually break through this 380. And I'm anticipating it. And if I wanted to, I could have added, but I was just trying to secure and not trying to overstay my welcome. So let's see what happened. In this time period, I'm looking to take at least a little bit more off the table, and you will see me take a little bit more off the table. I think it retests 380, and then it get rejected. And you can see that it's having a hard time holding up. And you can tell that based on the wick. That right here, you see the wick? So right now I'm looking at the level 2, and I'm looking for people to be propping up the bid and seeing them actually buying up the shares from the ask. And you got that. Look at the dip, because up here is very strong. That area up here is strong resistant. But as you can see, it's trying to curl back up. So I still have confidence that it's gonna go back up. Now let's see if it's strong enough to continue to go higher. And you can look over here. So we're looking for it to test that 80. Is it gonna test the 80 and break it? Let's see. And it broke. You see that quick snap? Quick snap broke 80. And as it broke 80, I took more off the table. So I had 750, as you can see here, in terms of the shear size, 750. And then I think as soon as it broke that 80, the 380, let's see, step by step, I took profit right there at the 380, and it left me with 425 shares left. And then I locked in $837 total in profit for the day. Let's continue. Let's see what I do with the rest. Well, basically with the rest, I sold it. I didn't stay or overstay my welcome. I took my piece of the pie and kept it going. And as you can see, it kept going a little bit higher. I could have added to the position, but I was perfectly fine with how much I had. And I locked in and ended the day with $918, and that was basically it for the day. That trade was probably like a good, probably 5 to 10 minutes, and it wasn't that long. So I stacked up, got profit, and got out. Sometimes you guys got to understand, you don't have to overstay your welcome. Make some money, get your piece of the pie, and then just leave. Keep moving. And that's what I did. So that's really about it, guys. Like I said, if you find any value in this video, please like, smash that subscribe button, and if you have any question, you already know, hit the bottom, ask any question. So hope you guys have a good night or good day. Just enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.